Hey, how's it going, everybody? Being here, I'm starting off the vlog today. Um, I'm at the shop working on the Honda Fit, and this time I'm going to work on this headlight restoration. I bought a product. Um, I've used it in the past, and it worked great for me. But I want to show you how to restore the headlight in a cheap manner. So I'm using Simon's headlight headlight renewal kit. This is the heavy duty one. So bear with me, and we'll go do this together.
This video is brought to you by Michael's Automotive Service. We guarantee you a smile each time you come by.
So this kit comes with everything. Comes with 2,000, 3,000, and 4,000 grit sanding paper, buffing pad, and the polish, and a microfiber cloth. See, has these pads, sanding. Like, I've used it in the past. It works out great. Just takes time to buff it out. There are there's products out there are better or whatever, but this one is more affordable, and it comes with a kit. And as you can see, has the polish right there. But that's when you only use this at the end, because you're scuffing all the grime out of the headlight. So this is going to be video of me and applying it, and I'm going to time lapse it. So enjoy. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. It's a little bit cloudy, but it's inside. So the only way to get that cloud is you have to take the headlight out and fully restore it. But that's the after. Look at what it was before. See? Fade and cloudy. So before after. So it turned out really good. So I had to buff it a couple of times, because just to make sure it's looks better as is already. Looking from far away. So at night I get to see this light way better, because it was really cloudy. It wasn't really bright. So that's why I was thinking I might as well do a headlight restoration kit. So that was this product. And it came with a hand buffer. You can get the one application with, you can attach the drill, but some people don't have power tools, and so I just went to the more basic model. So yeah, it's easy to do it yourself. So I did the headlight, and so far it looks really good than before. It's the inside, not the outside, so it pretty much buffed out the outside pretty well. Just the inside needs to get worked on, but that's the best thing I could do. See from far away. Not too hazy anymore. It's just the inside. So I also did the other ones, the other pair. Yeah, it's also the inside, so I buffed it out as much as I can, and These ones I have plans in the future because I want to put a projector on it. It's one of those dome-looking headlight inside. Basically, the reason being is I want to put like a bright headlight, and if I do put a bright headlight on this right now, it looks so messy. It looks messy, and it'll start blinding people. With the projector, it stays flat. But I'll explain it when I start doing the modification on it. That's why I decided to keep these headlights. My point of view, I like the black housing better than the chrome ones. That's my point of view. Like with chrome on vehicle, it's nice though, but sometimes it's overdone. Like I like just simple things. Simple. So the black housing really looks good. There. Really look good compared to the chrome behind it. So, yeah. Anyways. And also, I have a surprise. I just picked it up. What is it? This past week. It's sitting in my truck. See? My truck's there. Yeah. So, I picked up this 15-inch wheels. They're asking me why. Because I have already wheels on it. Because these are 15s, and those ones I have are 16s. So I'm going to do a comparison and talk about why. Talk about tires. Hey folks, so I got 4 different tires here. That I just found here. 3 of them are for the Honda Fit right back there. This one, I just decided just to bring it out and show you this rim. So, okay. About rims, wheels. Actually, this is a rim. This is a wheel. The rim of the rim and a wheel. So, I'll just go basically the generic, basic information about wheels. How to read the tires. Tire sizes, they come in different varieties. They come in. There is a reading on it, right? As you can see there, 185 60 R15s. So this is a 15-inch rim wheel, and 85 is the width. 185 is the width. This is the width of the tire. And 65 or 60 is the depth. So it's a thickness. That's how you read tires. So if you're not too sure what your wheel size is, it'll be on your driver's side door sill. So just take a look at there. And yeah, this is basically, I'm talking about the depth of tires. And they come in different varieties. These are performance tires. Let's see if I can set this wheel down. See, they are 205 40 Z R17. So they're 17s. 205 is the width, and 40 is the series thickness. The Z is the type of tire it is. So this is a high performance tire. So it's a high performance tire. So it's rated Z for like superior traction and in high speeds. So yeah, that's what I'm just talking about. And we got a winter tire here. Oh, and also with those tires, the performance tires, make sure, and winter tires too, they have a direction on it. They only go one way, so it's, yeah, basically they go one way, one direction. So it's just moving forward. And these are winter tires right here. So it says 175, 65, 15. So they're 15-inch rim wheel. Steely. This is Steely. And 65 series is the thickness. And 175 is the width. So I'll compare it from the 205, 40. You can see this is smaller, like smaller width. And this is 205 is a wider. So better traction. Sorry, I'm just like going up and down because it's hard to lift these wheels on. But I just want to fully talk about it. And yeah, if you guys want more in depth about these tires, feel free to comment down below, and then I will slowly talk about it. Okay, so that wraps up the video. So we did a lot. Did two things: headlight restoration and talk about wheels. See, the wheels are the old ones there. I actually put the ones I got on the vehicle, and it looks kind of interesting. So what do you guys think? I'll show you right now. So what do you guys think? It looks pretty interesting. Five-spoke looks good. No matter what on vehicle, five spokes. One, they're easier to clean. Two, they just look damn good. So, yeah. What do you guys think? Should we change the color on it or just leave it as is? Put a comment down below. And look at the damn headlights. Dang headlights, look at that. Dang. It looks so clean. I have a fog. Do you remember? I got a fog light for that, so I want to do installation. So this is going to turn. It's turning out slowly, really good. Yeah. So wait until there's more to come. I guess there's more parts coming in, and you never know. We might install something good. All right. Anyways, this wraps up the video. Any questions, just let me know. Email me. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel. Yeah, so don't forget, we're working on this car together. This is not just mine. This is everyone's on the YouTube channel. So let me know what you want guys do. Know what do you guys want to do next. Anyways, stay fly and keep moving forward. Peace.